Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 20 English sentences for daily use. So without wasting of time, let's begin. Don't give him anything. उसे कुछ ना दो. Don't give him anything. Think about her. उसके बारे में सोचो. Think about her. Speak a little louder. ज़रा ऊंची आवाज़ में बोलो. Speak a little louder. Don't go away. दूर मत जाना. Don't go away. I don't want anything. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. Don't follow me. मेरे पीछे मत चलो. Don't follow me. Why are you happy today? आज तुम खुश क्यों हो? Why are you happy today? Give it to me. ये मुझे दो. Give it to me. ये मुझे दो. Don't ignore me. मुझे नज़रअंदाज मत करो. Don't ignore me. Get out from here. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Get out from here. Get it out from here. इसे यहाँ से निकालो. Get it out from here. I have spoken English. मैंने अंग्रेज़ी बोली है. I have spoken English. It's not yours. ये तुम्हारा नहीं है. It's not yours. What do you teach? तुम क्या पढ़ाते हो? What do you teach? Why are you angry with me? तुम मुझसे नाराज़ क्यों हो? Why are you angry with me? How dare you? तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? Try to understand. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Come here once. एक बार यहाँ आओ. Come here once. That's not good thing. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. That's not good thing. Why are you so sad? आप इतनी परेशान क्यों हैं? Why are you so sad? What do you want? आप क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.